Good news, good news, good news. Guys, if you're a small channel, come closer. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make YouTube to push your videos to more people so that you can start getting more views, more recommendation, and more watch hours. This particular method is what a lot of big YouTubers are using to push their videos to get more views, more subscribers. Let me show you something. Now, once you look at this my video, you see that this is a video I posted in the last 1 month, and I was able to accumulate 1.4k views. This is another one I uploaded. I was able to get 18k views. This one is 1.1k views, and others are 300, 400, 200 as a small channel. And from this method, I was able to accumulate 1,000 subscribers. Now, if you are struggling to get recommendation, if you are struggling to get YouTube to push your videos after doing everything, uploading your videos, and at the end you are not getting the views, then worry no more. All you have to do is watch this very video till the very end, because I'm going to review everything. Like, I'm going to review 4 simple strategies you are going to use to get YouTube to push and recommend your videos for you to get more views. You know, on this YouTube, if you want to get more views, YouTube needs to recommend your videos, and if you're not getting that recommendation from YouTube, you won't get the views. YouTube will not push your video. But with this 4 strategy that I'm about to share with you, you will make YouTube to push your videos. But before I show you, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let me show you what you are going to do to make YouTube to push and recommend your videos. I mean, 4 proven ways, 4 proven hacks. I mean, 4 strategy you can use to get recommendations. So come with me. Let's go right now. Click on this continue to studio. Once you click on this continue to studio, it will now direct you to your YouTube studio, the back end of your YouTube studio. So now let's wait for mine to open. Okay, so now while we're waiting for it to open, do well to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Okay, so now let's wait for it to open. Now once it will bring you to this interface, you see this icon that looks like a video. So click on this second icon. Now I want to show you something that you don't know. So once it brings you to the gallery of your video, so I want you to click on any of your video you want YouTube to push. Maybe this is a video you have uploaded on your channel, but you have not made it public, or a video that you have already made public but you still want YouTube to push the video. I'll have to click on one of my video. Remember, one of your video, or you can do it in all of your video. So once it has opened to this very particular back end, now let me show you this simple 4 strategy that I did on those video that got me those views. Okay, so now once you come over to this side, you see this see more. Now click on this see more. Now there is something that is common, but a lot of us don't know that it can actually push our video. So I want you to scroll up here. Now you see this place that they write allow embedding. Make sure that you turn on this allow embedding on. Yes, that is the first setting. Turn on that allow embedding on. Always make sure it is turned on, because YouTube will use it to give you access to other people's vlogs, for people to embed on your videos. Now let's say, for example, if any of your videos started going viral, or if this my video started going viral, people will start embedding on that video because I actually turned it on. And it's not only turning on the embedding on, you also have to optimize your videos very well. Another setting I want you to know is this particular setting. It is not made for kids. Please, if your video is always made for kids, maybe you mistakenly put it as yes, it is made for kids, please always turn it to no, it is not made for kids. Okay, it will actually help you to push it to people that are not kids, to adults. They will push it to adults, and from there people will start watching your videos, like people that are interested in your video. Now, the third setting you should not forget, this setting every creator have it on their channel. It is what we call playlist. I know you have heard it countless of time. Playlist is very simple, but let me tell you, this playlist can actually make you to push your video. It's not even one of your video, it's not even the one that you want YouTube to push your video. It is almost every of your video. Now, once you look at this particular video, you see that this particular video, I included it in two playlists. That means if these people didn't see it in the first playlist, they can see it in the second one. Now, once you click on it, you can see all my playlists, but I choose to add this video into playlists. People can actually watch the video through YouTube Growth Tips, which is the first playlist, and they can actually decide to watch it through YouTube Tutorial, which is the second playlist. So make sure that every of your video, it is in a playlist. Do not ignore it. Do not ignore it. Make sure that all your videos are in a playlist. If you don't know how to make a playlist or create a YouTube playlist to get your 4,000 watch hour and YouTube to push your video, let me know in this video comments. Create playlist, and I will humbly and kindly create a playlist, a video on how you are going to create your own playlist. Okay, now the fourth one, which is the overall, the fourth one that made this video to go viral, is putting it under category. See, if I tell you that category is one kind game changer in every of your video, category play a huge role in your video, and that is what actually made my video to go viral. Okay, so always make sure that your video is on category. Now, if you're under YouTube Growth, you can put it to how to and style, because you have a lot of varieties of categories. Yes, you have comedy, education, entertainment, depending on what you are doing in your channel, depending on the niches your channel falls on. So if you're under maybe education, you are teaching people how to maybe make money, get this and get paid education, I can choose to put my own on education, but education is not the main right category. It is how to and start, because people tend to watch how to get 4,000 watch hour, 1,000 subscriber, get monetized, how to videos. That's what I actually do. Okay, so now you just make sure you can you just make sure that your video is in category, because this category, it helps YouTube to understand your video and know who to push this your video. So make sure that your own is in the right category. If you are confused which one does your channel for, I mean the right category for your channel, also let me know in the comment section, and I will tell you the right category your channel should fall on. Yes, and which will help you to push your videos for you to get the views, the desirable view, the subscribers. Guys, this is what I have been doing even on my other channel, and it is helping my other channel. I'm close to monetization as I'm talking to you. That is because of this category. So this is what a lot of creators, big creators, are using to push their videos. That is why their videos are going viral. So these are the four settings, the four strategy, the four strategic method you should implement on every of your video, and you start getting YouTube to push your video. So guys, go and try it, and I believe you come back here with testimony. Make sure you come back on this very video to give me your positive reply. Okay, so if you try it and it work for you, you know what to do. So if you have watched to the point of this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and comment in the video. Okay, yeah, and I'm going to see you on my next video. Use this four strategic word feature that actually help me and make YouTube to push your videos. Okay, thank you, and see you in my next video. Bye.